So I just learned who's going to be the new Homeland Security Director appointed by Trump. His name is Tom Homan. This guy, border czar, he looks scary. So really quickly, I want to talk about who will or who is Tom Homan's focus when it comes to deportation. Number one, anyone that currently has a deportation order. This means immigration judge ordered you deported because you were in removal proceeding, or this means you had a court appointment and you skipped that appointment, you missed it for whatever reason, and the court issued an order of deportation for you in your absence. If you have an order of deportation, Mr. Hummins is coming after you. Hey, what happens if you do not know whether or not you have an order of deportation? You can always order what we call a FOIA. FOIA. That's essentially a history of your immigration process. So if you have an order of deportation, it would be in that record. So order that. You can go to the EOIR website to order that FOIA. It's for free. And number two, if you have any felony convictions, any serious convictions, you're his top priority to deport. If you're not sure whether or not you have a felony conviction, you could do a FBI background check. You could do that. Or if you had a criminal case and you don't know what the disposition of that case was, you could go to that courthouse and order your records at the clerk's office in that courthouse so that you could know whether or not you have a conviction. So I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm just telling you to keep you informed. So if you have a deportation or don't know if you have a deportation under your name, please see an attorney. Right now is probably one of the easiest time because of prosecutorial discretion that you can get an order of deportation dismissed if you meet certain criterias. So see an attorney for those criterias and get that done now if you can benefit from that. And two, if you don't know whether or not your felony conviction is a serious felony, a serious conviction, again, see an immigration attorney. We would be able to let you know how your specific conviction will affect your immigration status or paperwork. So don't sit on any of this. Act now, act before January 20th. And this way, whatever step that you take will be under the Biden administration rules and regulation and not Trump's, because it's a lot easier to get things passed under this administration when it comes to immigration paperwork. Rolanda Adolph with Adolph Law Group. If you have any questions about immigration, hey, ask and I'll answer. Ciao.